Take a look at Galloping Hill.
The course was built in the late 1920s. So in 1928 it was actually completed. Now, full transparency, I'm not playing the course, but I'm getting a quick tour because it's really packed.
You're above the hole, you're dead. You better be able to do a putter. You missed that putt, it's rolling all the way. Water, everything just. So if you're a blue man, you gotta crank over this into that, and it's hard unless you're really decent.
And they play the blacks too here?
Yeah. Number one hole.
This is beautiful.
This is 7. So if you're cranking blacks from back here, here's the par 4. So I'll just show you different.
Now, do you like the back 9 or the front 9?
Back 9 for me, I can score.
Okay.
The front 9, man, I struggle.
Oh yeah, this is my shot all day. And the tree in the middle.
Yeah, you gotta get past that bad boy, bud.
We'll go through all the history of this course that was built in 1928. It got redesigned. There used to be 27 holes here. Multiple golf designers have touched it. And we're going to talk all about that shortly. But just coming on in, there's a lot of changes happening. And this is a nice facility. This is a massive complex. It has some interesting history because the original course has changed since then. We'll talk all about that. The course stretches along 6,855 yards for a par 71.
Yeah, this is it.
Longer than you think when you're trying to shoot for your second shot.
Look
up
at
the
those little
slope.
bunkers they sneak in there too on both sides. Even if you rope one, you were going to be in the bunker.
Yeah.
That's nice. It's a beautiful hole. Well-maintained tee boxes as well. They're very aggressive. I love the tree in the middle. You only see that on older courses.
It's like back in there.
Yep, downhill.
Yep.
Yeah, I could see coming out to this one.
Yeah,
like,
you
I
gotta have a
wanna
monster
score.
hit to get past that tree. This is a pretty one.
Yeah, nice cars. I saw that already. Oh yeah, the elevation. Yep. Yeah, this is perfect. Let me just jump out 1 second. The greens are nice too. I like them. Look at the view though. My God.
According to the Federal Writers Project in 1939, the club got its name from the British Army dispatch riders that galloped on the road during the American Revolutionary War. This is a pretty historical site. It's just outside of New York City, Philadelphia, so there's a lot of history on this location alone. The course dates back to 1928 when it was designed by William G. Wilkinson. We got a picture of him right there. The course, well, he worked with A.W. Tinninglast at the same firm. I don't know if he actually helped design it, but some pictures. And then we have Robert Trent Jones Sr. in 1949 making updates. Alfred Knoll in 1953 making updates. Stephen Kay came in there in 1998, and then Reese Jones in 2013. There's been a new restaurant, a bar, facility, clubhouse. All took place in 2013, so that massive building that you're seeing in the beginning of the video. Currently, they work with the LPGA for the state, and then also in 2016, it became the first New Jersey State Open that was held at a public golf course that took place here. That was about 95 years ago, ever since other public golf course took place at a state open. Now, there's rumors of the ghost of the headless horseman, so it's an old German soldier that still roams through the links, at least according to Wikipedia. And then Ghost Hunters has suggested that the Galloping Hill Headless Horseman may have been inspired by Washington Irving's book of the Legend of Sleepy Hollow. It's considered the golf course that never sleeps. It hosts about 70,000 rounds of golf per year, and that might have even gone up since this article that I'm reading right now. Just being outside of New York City, you got celebrities, you got sports players, all have played this golf course. You might be one that's watching this right now. Owned and operated by Union County, they take a lot of pride in this public course with their massive learning facility that we're going to do an independent review on, where a lot of the original holes that took place in 1928 are on that facility over there. We don't have it here. So the layout that you're seeing, this was originally 27 holes of golf that got converted just 15 years ago from what the gentleman said when he was letting me have a tour around. And overall, I think this course course needs to be on everyone's list if you're a New Jersey golfer. I'm hoping to get back here and slap it around with some good friends. That's going to do it for our list. Keep a lookout for more videos to come as we bring to you the best golf content in the New Jersey state. This is the Par Festival. We're driving on out.